Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to hop on and show you how to upload your Amazon KDP book. So once you have registered on KDP's platform, you just want to log in. After you have logged in, you're going to select on Create. Once you select on Create, it will take you to this page. Once it takes you to this page, it will give you the option of the various types of books that you can create. You're going to select Create Paperback. It will take you to this page. Paperback details, they will ask you the language. You choose the appropriate language. For me, it will be English. The book title, here you will need to enter the name of the book and the subtitle. So I'm going to put in Composition Notebook 100 pages, and I've included a subtitle. If yours is a series, you're going to have to select Add to Series and fill out the appropriate slots. If there's a specific edition number, you'll have to do that as well. Author, you're going to have to put in whatever name to use. You can use your own name. You can use a specific name just for your publications. All right. And here is another key component, your description. So you can look at other books' description and see what they have and see what would work for your composition notebook or whatever type of book you are intending to publish. Publishing rights, I own the copyright. Primary audience, is any sexually explicit images or title? No. Reading age, this is optional. Primary marketplace, you always want to select Amazon.com because it gives you the widest range to market your book. Categories, this is an extremely important area that you must select for your book. All right, so you want to select edit categories, and you can go into here and select whatever book category suits you. You have the option of up to 3 categories. If you want to change the category, you can simply select remove. If you want to look at a different classification of another category, add another category, you can just select that option and you go through the various options available for categories. So I can select education and teaching, and I will select one subcategory, studying and workbooks, general, and you save the categories. Because this is a low content book, I have to select that option as well. Now your keywords, remember before I was telling you about the importance of researching your keywords before you come to enter your information on your Amazon KDP platform. So I have just included some common keywords here. So you're going to select the best option of keywords for your book to make your book visible. Now your publication date, if you have a specific date for your publication, you can choose that option. You have filled out this information and you are satisfied, you simply select save and continue. It will take you to the next page. So if you have your own ISBN, you can select that option. I will choose publish without an ISBN because it's a low content book. Here you have the print options, black and white interior with white paper. That's my preference, but you can choose whichever preference you would desire. And here you have the trim size. For me, it will be 8 by 5 by 11. If you want to select a different trim size, you simply select that button and you will see the various options available to choose from. I will choose bleed for PDF only because there isn't anything that will be affected by the edges and I want everything to be seamless. So I will choose the option of bleed, paperback, cover finish. It can be matte or glossy. Now guys, I have tried both and I love them both. Matte is extremely beautiful and it leaves no fingerprints, and glossy, it just highlights the colors of your book cover, but it does leave some fingerprints on there. Right, so that's just something for you to think about in choosing whether you prefer matte or glossy. For this book, I'm going to choose glossy. You simply have to then upload your manuscript. I've already uploaded mine, so you simply select the upload button and then upload. your document. Likewise, I've already uploaded my book cover. So you simply again select upload your cover file and it will be uploaded. AI generated content. They want to know if you use AI to generate the images. For me, it was no. So I'll just select that. And here you have the option to see how your book looks. I'm just selecting Launch Previewer. You can see it will take you to this page. And this is what my book cover looks like. And the inside of my books with my pages. Once you approve of this, you can simply select Approve, or you can exit Print Previewer and make changes if you so desire. Select Approve. It will take me back to this page. So you can see that to print this book with Amazon is going to cost me $2.84. And they gave the various breakdowns for the different Amazon platforms. So I'm just going to save and continue. And this is where you are able to specify the territories that you want your book to be offered. So I'll normally go with all territories because you're looking for as much sales as you possibly can. Primary place, I leave as Amazon.com. And pricing, royalties, and distribution. Now, this is a key factor. So it's good, again, to do your research and see what your competitors are charging for a similar book and price your book accordingly so as to allow it to generate sales. Now, the thing is that once you insert your price, Amazon filters it down. So you see the minimum cost that you can charge. Some persons use an introductory price and then make the relevant changes as their book gets traction. So for me, I'm just going to leave it at $5.73 for now. And once you are satisfied with your pricing, you simply say publish your paperback book. So just like that, guys, you would have uploaded your book on Amazon KDP. I hope you have found this video helpful.
Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.